that the music is bringing. We're flames in the fire that keeps burning. We're invited.
Hey guys, ooh ooh ooh, ooh ooh ooh, ooh ooh ooh. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. We love you guys. Thank you for our subscriber. Like, thank you for coming back to watch our video. Yes, guys, we are just waking up. You can see us in pajamas. Yeah. Okay, guys. So, guys, can you stop that first, please? Okay, guys. Oh. So, guys, we're just waking up and we just take delivery. Like, my baby birthday is just in few days' time. Like, my baby birthday is just. We shut up. We shut up. Guys, my baby birthday is just a few days' time and we are just receiving some gift from his father. So, we are receiving this package. And I just like to box it with you guys to see what is inside. So guys, let's see what is inside. I know my baby is so excited. They can't even wait to open this. That's why I will just, because since we take it, they deliver it around the 8 o'clock, and we wake up, we totally stand up around 8:44. So I know my baby is just can't wait to see what is inside. So I just decided, okay, let's open it and see what is inside. So I said, okay, why can't you share with you guys and let's see it together? I don't know if you can see it. See that? So guys, let's box together. So guys, let's box this. My baby can't wait to see it. Even though me, I can't even wait to see it. The only thing that will get me angry is if I don't have anything inside this place. So guys, let's box. Let's box. Let's box. Oh. Wow. Is it even that? Yeah. I know you're so excited to open this, right? Oh boy. Ah, whew. Guys, we finally open it. Okay, let's do that. Can you close your eyes? So guys, we finally open it. Let's see the first thing inside. Okay. Oh, first thing inside is my. Wait, I'll bring your us out. First thing inside is it's just a gown. Yeah, a gown. Okay, let's keep that aside. Can you remove your hand? Guys, I don't want to show you this yet. Actually, it's not for me. It's a gift for somebody else. But wow, guys, this. The reason why I don't want to show you what is inside this place, guys, is because I want to keep it. I will still tell you guys, but not now, because if I upload this video before that day, the person is going to see and is going to know what is inside. So I don't want to open it yet. So let's keep that. Let's keep that. Let's keep that. So the next thing, guys, is for my baby. Oh, oh. Guys, can you see that? Can you see that? He loved this first. This got our attraction. Wow. Do you love it? This is so beautiful. Oh. So guys, let's continue. Oh, I guess this one is complete. Oh, see guys, this come together. I think this actually come together. I think the two of them actually come together, right? Yes. So I can see this color here. Yeah, I think it's actually come together. This is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. Wow. Intimate. Wow, this is beautiful. Miss, can you see this? Oh, thank you, honey. See my baby like new leather jacket. New leather jacket. Guys, see that? See that? This is beautiful. I'm loving it. We see. Do you love it? I know you love it. See. See another one, darling. See. See this. See this. Guys. Wow. I don't understand again. No. Guys, it's like I don't understand again. No. I think this one actually come. Ooh. I think this one actually come together with this. Yes. Maybe this jeans is maybe this one is separate. Yeah. I think it comes because look at man. I think they actually come together with this. Guys, this is so beautiful. I'm happy. Aww. Guys, see my baby new storybook. Wow. Yeah. Guys. The problem there is that this thing is written in Italy. Guys, this is written in Italy. I don't know if you can see. It's written in Italian language. So we see a new storybook. Anyways, we'll translate it. Oh, where's the second one? Please don't bring it flop this. See this, guys. See this. Wow, this actually look very good. Oh, I love it. Oh, where is the second of this? Oh, see that. Guys, this is really looking beautiful, you know. I really love it. We see Onishi, do you love it? I think it's just a little bit big because it's 24. But at least I'll keep it for now. Can't wear this for now. Keep it. We see Onishi. You still have more. Wow. Guys, can you see what I'm seeing? Can you see what I'm seeing? Wow, guys. So look at the other one. This is also beautiful, and I love this. As in, just look at the down. Wow. Just look at that, guys. It's really beautiful. Hey, calf gang, face calf gang. Oh yeah, who that? Face calf gang, face calf gang. Guys, look, face calf gang. No, keep. Just put that. Face calf gang. Face calf gang. So guys, let's continue. That's that. Oh, I actually sent him this okay pack. So he actually brought me this okay pack. Oh, he bought two. Like really. Thank you. So this is for me anyways, guys. Because I love this okay so much. When I'm in Italy, if anytime I use it, I always perfect. So I just asked him to get me some. Woof, 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 woof. Guys, look at another one. Look at another one. I think this one is a little big. But anyways, maybe it's just growing every day. But we can still keep this one for. Say this one is 2 and yeah, two is for 2 years. We'll still keep it for anyways. It's nice. I love it. Have that. Another jug. Wow. Guys, look at that. This corduroy jacket. I think this material was called corduroy, right? Yeah. So look at that, guys. This is beautiful. You got a lot of chatting now. Mistake. So I don't have anything inside here. It's just that one. Oh, it's fine. Guys, this shoe is not actually for my baby. It's for somebody else. Because this shoe is for woman. It's not for boys. It's for somebody. So. Oh, wow! This guy got it. Like you really got a lot of jackets. Let me remove this. Yeah, do you love it? Yeah, I'm coming. I will read it for you. Okay. I will read it for you. Bring your shoe. Bring your shoe. Guys, look at that. Look at this jacket. This jacket is nice. I love it. And the thing is that when you are looking at it from outside, you know that it's very thick, and the inside is just like wow. Just look at that. Yes, love. I will read it for you. Okay. Miss, before I can read this, I have to calm my head down. Okay. I will read it for you. Okay. I think it got 2 colors. See another one here. Another one here. It's 2 colors. So that's for that. Okay. Oh, this little man here, guy. Wow. Thank you. Guys, see this. Wow. This little man got things. So. Hey. Look at that, guy. Wow. This is beautiful. Guys, look at this. This shoe is really beautiful, you know. I love it. And the funniest part is all of them is not, it's just light shoe. I don't know if you can see that. Wow, see this. Aww. This bag is actually for me. Yeah, it's for me. Please stop. Wow. guys. I love this. Yes, guys, see. This is beautiful, you know. I love it. I love it. This is beautiful. This is for me. For me. Finished, guys. Finished. Wow. I think we are missing up something, guys. I don't want to show you this. Let me just bring it out. I think we are missing up something. I'm missing up something. Let's see what is inside. Inside. Wait, do you see this? Ooh. Guys, can you see what I'm seeing? It's gold. Yeah. Guys, this is actually gold. Like, can you see? Guys, it's actually gold. Wow. This is for you, baby. Wow. Let's check this first. Wow. This is ancient. Yeah. Okay, wait. This is ancient, guys. Wow. Look at that. Look at that, guys. This is so beautiful. Look at that. This is so pretty. Wow. I think this one is white and silver. Why this one is just pure one. Silver. Sorry, that's just says white and silver. This is silver and gold. They mix it up. So, guys, this one is just pure gold. Wow, this is beautiful. Guys, this is beautiful. Look at that. See the way my son is looking. Guys, this is beautiful. Do you love it? Oh, thank you so much, honey. We love you so much. We miss you. Guys, this is how we receive package every time. So I just decided to like, let's share this one together. I just don't. So, guys, I just decided to not like, let's share this together. This is not a lot anyways, but it's still a lot to me. This is just 5 kilos. Sometimes we can receive like 15, so that's how we always receive it every time. But guys, this man is trying, man. This man is trying, man. Wow. Thank you so much, Oni. I know you watched this video, and I really appreciate from the bottom of my heart. Yeah, from the bottom of my heart. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comments down below. See you guys in our next video. See you guys in our next video. See you guys in our next video. See you guys in our next. Thank you, guys. Love you guys. Mwah.